I'm Bach, and I am in my last year in the AMMET program. So I joined the AMMET program about 2 years ago after I got my associate's degree through the E-Tech program. The drive that put me into that is I've always had a want to get into the space industry, and I want to be part of the next team that advances space travel, making new capsules, getting the next satellites up there, advancing our footstep, into the universe and helping pioneer our adventure. The benefit of the applied sciences is that we're much more hands-on. So I have a higher aptitude of knowledge in the manufacturing aspect as well as the engineering aspect. The AMMET program has provided me with an immense background of knowledge, ranging all the way from just advanced computer skills to all of the ways we can develop code, the computer software analysis we're able to do, all the finite element analysis, the 3D modeling we've learned through SolidWorks and Fusion and Creo has been a big building factor. I feel like the AMMET program has definitely prepared me for being able to reach any goals that I've had and be able to take my next steps outside of this program into the workforce.
My name is Stephen Harnage, and I'm in the AMMET program at Edmonds College. I work at Olympus. We manufacture medical devices, and I'm taking the AMMET program just to be able to advance in my career. They help pay for the tuition, and they've been very supportive. One of the main reasons why I took the program is I'm able to work full-time and take night classes. I've tried a couple other different programs at a few colleges, and it's never quite worked out with my schedule because they always have classes in the day, so being able to take classes after work has been perfect for me. It's been a great experience learning all the tools, going through all of the different projects, a lot of hands-on learning, which is great. Our capstone we're working on is we're developing and building a quadcopter drone. So we're designing the framing, picking out the components, assembling everything, and then the end goal is to get it flying. Once I have a bachelor's degree, then I'm going to be an actual manufacturing engineer for work. So they're already setting up to promote me. I got the offer letter yesterday.